sexy thing. I believe in miracles.
Bulis ang datingan na. Balik mo ba? Check box.
Basta anak, no? Andito na si Mami. Always pray. Yung aking message ko sa'yo, remember you're the head and not the tail. You're top and not the bottom. Kaya, basta, yun ni Justin na nasa center niyo yung si God para talagang all will go well with you. At sa yung magiging baby mo, for sure, you'll be a good father. You will be a good father sa magiging baby niyo ni Justin. Basta dito na kami ni Daddy mo.
Thanks, Ma.
Love you.
I love you.
Virgin look mo. Ganda mo.
Ang sukatan daw ng tunay na pag-ibig, yung kakayahan ng bawat isa na mag-alay ng buhay. Katulad ng pag-aalay ng buhay ni Kristo, katulad ng pagiging tao ng salitang ipinangako sa atin ng Diyos, ang berbo na nagkatawang tao. Justin, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
Brian, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
Brian and Justin, are you both ready to raise as good Christians the children whom God will give you?
Yes, Father.
I, Brian Jonas Flores, take you, Justin Ray Narag, to be my wife. I promise to be faithful to you in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health, to love you and to honor you all the days of our life.
Justin at Brian, maganda siguro na tanungin niyo yung isa't isa. Justin, pwede mo bang tingnan si Brian sa mata? Can you ask him, kaya mo bang ialay ang buong buhay mo para sa akin? Anong sagot? Of course. Ikaw naman, Brian, tanungin mo din si Justin. Kaya mo din bang ialay ang buong buhay mo para sa akin? Maybe, hindi tayo matutuloy ng kasal pag maybe ang sagot mo. Can you ask the question again? Let's be clear with the answers here. Okay? Can you ask her again? Of course. Tuloy po ang kasal. Mabuti na ang sigurado sa simula pa lamang, sapagkat ang sabi sa atin ng Ebanghelyo ni San Mateo, ang pinag-isa ng Diyos, walang sino man ang pwedeng maghiwalay.
I, Justine Narag, take you, Brian Jonas Flores, to be my husband. I promise to be faithful to you in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health, to love you and to honor you all the days of my life.